Hi and welcome to another tutorial with B. Today I'm going to show you how to create a template in Mailchimp, a pretty basic one, but something that you can add on to. So when you get onto the Mailchimp homepage, you go into campaigns here on that sign here, and then email templates, and let's create one. So there are various options here, so some pre-designed ones, also even themes. You can pick one of these. I just going to show you how to do a simple one column full width. Go and explore whatever you like, but I think this is pretty standard and it's quite good. So your logo comes incorporated as soon as you sign up to Mailchimp. Now you've got your text here. I'm going to delete that. I don't really like the header together with the main text, because sometimes you can it can just basically go over, and then all of a sudden your normal text looks like the header, and you don't want that. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a header here with heading 2, and let's call it header, save and close, and then we do another text box underneath, and then that can be just your normal text. So you can have that above and below. So you can go into here with any text option and align that to the middle, go into styles and change that a bit around as you like. And the same with settings, so you can have 2 columns. I'm not going to go further into this because that's pretty self-explanatory. Hope I said that right. Now, then what else we could be doing is, for example, you can add a button in. For example, buy now, put your web address in, change the color here as well. So make it green, or it didn't take it over, pink. So I know that's a bit crazy. And then, for example, what we could be doing is image and text. So we add an image here. So we just pick this one. And now this is quite large, but I would like to make it smaller. So you can also choose 2 next to each other. I just want to do 1 and keep it aligned to the left. So then you see the text moves over to the right side, and then you can just go into content and add whatever you like in here. So that is that. And then, for example, your footer is already in here generally as soon as you have your content, as soon as you sign up. So it should automatically be there. You can put in a divider to make sure that is divided. You can also change the color there. And let's say we want to do another text, so you can put another text, but maybe I like to separate it even more, and we put in a block, so a box text, I mean. So, and that is then, for example, we could make this again a header, and make that in heading 2. Now you can change the color here in white. And so that's how you can separate it. And again, here you can go into styles and settings, so it's always the same. Yeah, and then we change it, for example, we center it. And yeah, and then of course you can put links in here. So for this blog, anywhere you can put links in, but for images, of course, go into link and then add your web address in here. Yeah, and the same here. So for example, web address bethriven.com, and then save and close, and there you go. That will lead you to Be Thriven now. So this may be a bit of a quick intro, but I thought, well, I'll just give you a little bit of an insight how to create one, and you can just take away what you like to create. And of course, this looks probably a bit weird because there isn't a lot of text in it, but let's say you would, in the header, you would write in here, newsletter, and then, like do a bit of a welcome here to your audience. And yeah, then obviously that looks a bit different. Now, the other thing is, if you like to create something the same, like again, the same way, you can just click on duplicate block, and there you go. If you like to delete, just go on the bin, oops, and then delete. So yeah, I hope this helped. If you have any questions, please shout them out. I love to help. Yeah, let me know. Thanks.